Yasin, where are you, my little boy?
I'm here, Mama.
There you are. What are you playing with?
My yellow ducky. Quack, quack.
Ducky looks ready for an adventure.
Where does the duck go on an adventure?
Are you ready for your bath? Let's go and get clean.
Yes, let's go!
Let's get ready for the bath.
Little Yasin has a yellow toy duck. Let's go to the bath, it's time for some luck. He hops in the water, the bubbles go pop. He splashes and giggles, he just cannot stop. Wash, wash, wash with a happy smile. Say Alhamdulillah all the while. Tummy, toes and nose so clean. The happiest baby you've ever seen. He washes his elbows, he washes his knees. He catches the bubbles floating on the breeze. He looks at the soap and he says with a grin, Bismillah first,
Bismillah,
let the
sweetie.
washing begin.
Bismillah.
The happy smile, say Alhamdulillah all the while. Tummy, toes and nose so clean. The happiest baby you've ever seen.
Wow, look at the duck, Yasin.
The water is warm and the towel is soft. He holds his clean hands up high and aloft. Allahu Akbar, he whispers so low, thanking his maker for helping him grow. Dry as a toast in his pajamas so bright, he kisses his parents and says good night.
Hey friends! Want more fun songs with me and Ducky? Ask your parents to subscribe to Kiddie Music Official. Bye-bye! Assalamu Alaikum!